It's time to discover the easiest method for floor cleaning. A tile machine, like the one you just saw, is not needed. This demonstration validates why tile machines are not needed. You can Google dental plaque is a biofilm. The biofilm reaction is obvious. You now see the prior hardened grease lifting so easily with OxyAmaze. Use a professional grout brush with a handle or slowly remove by mopping. No biofilm, no pests. Best yet, you're sanitized. This sanitizing is what is done in integrated pest management. The strongest cleaning, yet gentle on the flooring.
Oh my gosh, that is really coming up, my friend. Wow.
See it from spot to spot.
Yeah,
See
you
where I
can
did
see it.
not.
Yeah, you can see from spot to spot.
OxyAmaze does not harm painted floors that scratch and scuff quite easily. You've witnessed the incredible cleaning. Notice it's twice as fast as regular mopping.
Would you agree that's really cleaned up nice?
Absolutely. By far, the easiest, most effective thing I've seen on this floor.
Seriously?
Oh, easily.
'Cause-
I've used bleach. I've used the Zep floor cleaners. I've got the Monster floor cleaner. I got all kinds back there.
I appreciate you saying that, Mike.
If you're gonna spend your time mopping the floor, when I get done, I want the customers to notice, and they are gonna notice this.
The yellow's gone. Do you remember the yellowing in front of that refrigerator?
Yes.
Even restrooms have biofilms. Biofilm is not just in grout. No biofilm, no insects. With this type of mopping, the results are phenomenal. You can also get a sticker so everyone can see that you sanitize.